Turn on the Amazon Alexa device. Parallelly, you download the Amazon Alexa app from Play Store. So I'm downloading this Amazon Alexa app from Play Store. Amazon Alexa. So the Echo is parallelly booting. You can see the Echo is booting. Okay. By the time first I'll install this app and keep it ready. So first install the Amazon Alexa app on the mobile. So I'm installing the OnePlus Amazon Alexa app. Parallelly, I see the phone is connected to Wi-Fi network, and you see this light is orange now, which means Alexa is in setup mode. If it is not in setup mode, and if you want to reset the Alexa, you have to press and hold this home button on the Alexa. Press and hold it so that the reset mode will be available.
Just install the Alexa app and follow the instructions.
So now it is saying it is in setup mode. So you have to install the Alexa app and proceed. So now in the phone, let me check if the Alexa app is installed. Yes, it is installed. So now open the Alexa app first. So you'll see Alexa app is opening, Amazon Alexa app, and parallelly the Echo is in setup mode. So now log into your Amazon account for the Alexa app. So I'm using my account and I'm logging in with the Amazon account. Now after you log in with the Amazon account, you have to configure the Echo device. Now you can see it is asking whether the because I've already configured, it is asking whether you're Somnath or not. I'll say yes, I'm Somnath. It's account confirmation. Give that confirmation, and then you have to give the permissions for the Alexa app in the mobile. Allow all the permissions. Done. So once you give all the permissions, now Amazon Alexa account sign in is completed. But now I have to link this device to Alexa app. To do that, you have to go to the device tab in the bottom. In the bottom you have a device tab. Go there, and you have to click add device in the top. You see a plus symbol there, and you have to click that plus symbol here, and when you click it, it will ask you what you want to do. So I want to add a device, so I'll select add device here. Okay, I'm going for add device. Now it will ask you what is the type of the device you want to add. I will say Amazon Echo because this is an Echo device, so I'll select Amazon Echo. So after you select, it will ask you which type of device of Echo, whether it's Echo or Echo Dot or Echo Plus. So I'll select Echo because this device is Echo, so I'm selecting it. So now it is asking whether your Echo device is plugged in and there's orange light. Yes, so you can see the orange light is there. If the orange light is not coming, you have to press and hold this home key for some time till that orange yellow light will come here. So now things are ready for setup, so I'll say yes, it is available in setup mode. So now it is asking me for the language selection, so I have to select English India. So after I select English India, I'll click continue. So now it is asking me to enable the location. I'll say yes, enable the location, and I have to give the permission, allow the location. Okay, so now it is going to search for the device. Now the device is found, Echo 36R. You can see this is because the device is in setup mode. If the device is not setup mode, you cannot find the device here. You can see select your Echo. So I'm going to select this 36R. So now it is also asking me to select the Wi-Fi network to which I want to connect this Echo to. Okay, so now I know which network I have connected, so I will select that same network for the Alexa to be configured. So FTTH 5G, I'm going to select this one. So when I do this, the Wi-Fi will be configured for the Alexa to make it ready. So now it is connecting the Echo to Wi-Fi. So now Echo is configured. You can see the blue light came in.
Your Echo is ready.
So now Echo is completed. Setup is completed on the Echo part for the phone, and now we have to select the room which you have placed the Echo. So based on this, you can select whichever room you are placing it. So I'll select some say dining room, and I'll continue. So this will be configured. This Echo is in dining room. That's what it means, and I'll say continue for that. Okay, so if at all any group fails, you can select some other room and just select it. So it will get configured on that room. So now the Alexa is configured. Okay, so after Alexa configuration is done, so now I need to complete the OnePlus TV setup. So first I'll click continue here to go to the next options coming in. So I can select this address, which address I have placed it, and I say continue. So select the address, say continue. Sometimes the app may not respond, Alexa app, you have to wait for some time. So now the setup is completed. So if you want to see the demo, you can say yes, or otherwise you can skip it. So I skipped the demo of Alexa. So now the Alexa is ready with the phone. So now I want to teach this Alexa device or the Echo Dot device or Echo device how to use OnePlus. So now I'm gonna place this in mute, the Alexa device, because whenever I say Alexa, it will be
Great.
working.
Let
So the Alexa device is now configured. So now I have to teach Alexa device how to use OnePlus TV. So go to the app. In app, you have to go to this more options, from where you can select the skills and games. You get this option, skills and games. So go there, and now you have to add the skill OnePlus TV skill. Okay, to do that, you just dismiss these advertisements. Go to the discover option in the top. You see discover here. So go to discover and try to search for in the top search, you type OnePlus TV. OnePlus. You get that OnePlus TV there. You can see OnePlus TV. So select OnePlus TV. So you can see the OnePlus TV skill there. So add that skill. So you have to enable the skill if it is not enabled already, or you can disable and enable it. Now it is already enabled, but I'll try to show you by disabling it and then enabling it. So now when you are trying to enable the skill, it will ask you to sign in with the OnePlus account. OnePlus account is nothing but the user's account which they are using in forums. So I'm going to use my account which I am using in forums. So I'll set the account. Let me enter the password. So I've entered my username and password in the forums. So same account I'm going to sign in here, and this same account has to be signed in the TV as well. So I'm going to sign in. So now the skill is added. Okay, skill is added now, right? And now after adding the skill, it will try to search for the devices. I mean the OnePlus TVs available in this network. It's going to search for it now. Just wait for that to complete. It will take around 45 seconds to complete. Now the device discovery is completed, and you can see there is one OnePlus TV available in the network. So I'll just say continue, or you can even search for more devices if you feel something is not found. So now it is found. So I'm gonna use that TV. I'll say continue. So this is how you have to add the skill of OnePlus TV to the Alexa app. So after you add, it will be ready to use. Select the TV and say continue. Okay, you see, choose the Alexa devices that you want to use to control the TV. So I want to use any of this Alexa app I can use, or Echo. So I'm going to use the Echo device, that is this one. If I say Alexa app, I will select it's a mobile app. So I'm going to use this device. So I'll say Echo and say link devices. And so now the linking is happening. If you want to link other devices, you can add. Otherwise, you can return to OnePlus TV. So I'm going to return. So now these are some of the basic commands which will work. Alexa, turn on OnePlus TV. Alexa, set volume to 15 on OnePlus TV. Okay, same way, Alexa, play movie La La Land. So these are some commands which will work with the TV. Now let us see whether the TV will respond. So I'm going to unmute it here, and I'll say the command. Alexa, set volume to 30 points in OnePlus TV.
Okay.
So this is how it will work. This will set the volume. Alexa, set volume to 80 points on OnePlus TV.
I don't know how to set OnePlus TV to that setting.
So maybe that volume level is not available. Alexa, turn off OnePlus TV.
Okay.
So now the TV will get off. Alexa, turn on OnePlus TV.
Okay.
So that's how the commands will work with Alexa. Thank you.